we're out here this week at One Liberty in Philadelphia. We are doing a demo and install of some lights up on the chevrons along with Ascent Restorations. So this project came in about two and a half years ago. Jill Daris from Ascent Restorations gave me a call to come out and take a look at the building. Ascent Restorations actually does the building inspection for One Liberty, and they realized that there's some lights that are going to need to be taken off or replaced depending on what the building owners want to do. So the building owners actually put it out to bid and brought a couple companies they know they didn't want nothing to do with it really. So they gave us a call to see if we'd be interested in it along with them, and we decided to keep plugging along with them, and that's where we've been at ever since. So we've been out here for the last 2 years. This is our first big install. We're doing 9 different demos and 9 different installs of lights this week. The lights are 22 feet long, so it does cause some problems obviously with that length. So we found out that we are able to kind of cut them up into pieces and bring them in, and then the other lights, bringing them out, we have them in two different sections. So we actually have them in 11-foot sections, and we bring them out and install them that way as well. But it's been a great project for us up at this height, obviously on the side of a glass building, installing lights and demoing lights. It's been a great project for us, and it's been a great relationship with us and Ascent Restorations as well.